Hey everybody, this is Joe Jackson. Thanks for visiting my channel. Um, I did a quick video on best uh, insect control for your house or around a garage or whatever a couple of years ago about this home defense product that came out that's done a fantastic job. Um, I've had some issues with some carpenter ants, and I couldn't find anything that was getting on my porch. I couldn't find anything that worked. I was using carpenter ant control, stuff like that, and it was not working. So a couple weeks ago, I was at Home Depot, and I seen the new product just came out. It's Ortho Home Defense MAX, and this stuff works. They're gone. They're no longer on my front porch. So carpenter ants sometimes can be very difficult to get rid of, and I found that this product does that. As you see, there's a note that comes on it saying that it's traffic friendly after it dries for you and your pets. Again, read all the precautions and use as instructed. The product is amazing. It's done a fantastic job. I've really noticed, a lot of people buy, insect control services through these pest control companies, and it can be very pricey. You're talking, $30 to $50 a month. This product is double the price of this one. This was about $8 at Home Depot approximately, and this one's about 18. But what's good about it is it's a pretty good bit of control there. So you're talking probably 3 months at least if you used it. If you used it throughout that time, that's at least 3 months worth. Most cases, unless you live out in the woods like myself, you wouldn't have that many insects anyway. So it's a very good product, and I highly recommend it for anybody that wants to, do it yourself product that really works. So I highly recommend this product for people. Again, read all the precautions and the instructions on the bottle to make sure it's applied correctly and you're following what it says. So again, great product. Both of these are a great product, but this one actually has some increased value when it comes to especially carpenter ants. Thank you everybody for visiting my channel. Give me a like or subscribe, and I'll be coming to you with more videos soon. Thank you.